Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make white sauce pasta at home quickly. First, bring a pot of salted water to a rolling boil and add your favorite pasta, cooking it until it's perfectly al dente. Remember to save about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water before you drain it completely. This little trick is key for a creamy sauce. Now, in a separate pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once your butter is melted, it's time to create the base for our delicious white sauce. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking it for about 1 minute to form a smooth roux. This step is crucial for thickening the sauce. Now, slowly pour in 1 cup of milk, whisking continuously. This prevents any lumps and ensures a silky smooth consistency for your sauce. Hey everyone, if you're finding this quick pasta guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. On another note, if you're looking to simplify your financial life, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that truly changes how you think about money. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your sauce thickening beautifully, it's time to add some flavor. Season it with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and just a tiny pinch of nutmeg for that classic taste. Next, stir in that reserved pasta water. It truly makes the sauce extra creamy and helps it cling to the pasta. Finally, add your cooked pasta directly into the sauce and toss everything gently until every strand is perfectly coated.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.